What's up, friends? Welcome back to GIO'S, and today is the day of the year that I typically, well, today is just the day of the year, if that makes sense. Yeah, I just woke up. It's 6 a.m. but this is how early I have to start this video so I do not ruin my entire day. But today's a special day that I am going to be straightening my hair once again, and I'm going to be showing you an update version of me straightening my hair, and yeah. And for this go around, I'm actually going to be using the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil line, as it acts as a great heat protectant for your hair as throughout the entire process. The whole line ensures that your hair will be protected from all the heat. Also, to just protect your hair, just don't straighten your hair that much. So this is why I actually do it once a year. So yeah, let's just get right into it. Damn, I'm not ready for this, man. Okay friends, welcome back to my shower. We're going to start off with the Strengthen and Restore shampoo from the JBCO line. I'm going to add a little bit to my hand and add it to my scalp. By the way, this scared the crap out of me, so I thought I would add this as well. It grabbed onto my chest. Yeah, it did. Like I said, I'm going to add it to my scalp, and I'm just going to keep applying it to the rest of my hair as well. Yeah. Yeah bro, your lens is fogging up. You might want to clean that off. Get to it. Oh, but still a little bit foggy, man. What are you doing? You're gonna fight with your towel or what? Just clean it up. Alright, I'm just gonna start over. Next, friends, we're gonna use the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Conditioner. Apply a couple of pumps of that to your hand and apply it to your scalp, making sure it all gets all nice and in there. Make sure our hair is nice and moisturized. As you can tell, I'm going to start finger combing my hair, making sure the product is all throughout the hair, the conditioner is all throughout my scalp, my shaft, the ends of my hair, like especially the ends because that's the driest part of my hair, and I'm going to rinse. Boom, and just like that, we're back in this lovely seat in the area of seating, and I had a coffee because luckily my roommate is so nice to bring me a coffee because it's so early in the morning. So as you're gonna tell, I'm gonna take out my hair. My hair is still kind of damp, and I'm gonna start sectioning off my hair by splitting it down the middle first, and then put this right hand side on in the little bun, and then I'm gonna go ahead and work my left hand side. Next, I'm going to use the Strengthen and Restore Blow Dry Creme if you want to be fancy. Literally, this is the only product I'm going to use throughout this entire process. When straightening your hair, the main thing to really focus on is actually using less product so your hair doesn't become overly heavy and then your hair is just weighed down. So aside from just protecting your hair from the heat, this product actually restores the moisture in your hair, and then also gives you this nice shiny look after you're done. Alright guys, so half my hair is completely completely blow dried out. Alright, so this side is completely blown out. I'll be right back once this side is done, and yeah, see you till then. Alright guys, so I just completely wrapped up, blow drying out my hair. As you can tell, I wasn't aiming for it to be completely straight. Really all I needed to worry about was just making sure I just blow dry. What word am I looking for? Basically, I just want to make sure there's no curl pattern left in my hair, so when I do straighten it, you know, it just straights completely. Anyways, we're making good time. It's currently 10:36, so we'll be here for another probably like 3 hours. That's what I'm counting for. But we're making good time actually. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start the straightening process, so bear with me a little bit longer. Yeah. Also, I don't know if you can tell, but my hair is continuously blowing because I'm actually sitting right in front of the fan. As I'm straightening my hair, I kind of face the fan so my hair can immediately cool down, in hopes that that actually prevents heat damage as well. I don't know, but I just do it. So, in other words, just do it too because this is my class and you kind of signed up for it, so yeah. Alright friends, so one whole side of my hair is completely straight now. Here you go. Eventually I'm going to stand up and show you, but until I finish, sorry, I'm not going to stand up and show you how long it is actually. But that's coming soon. So I'm going to quickly hurry up and straighten this side, and I'll be back. Actually, I'll show you the last piece on this side right before I finish up. Yeah, so it's currently 12 o'clock. Started at 6, so we're 6 hours in, yeah. Alright, so let's hurry up and finish this up. just finished fully straightening my hair. It is currently 1:11. Yeah, 1:11. So what's that? From 6 to 1. Is that 7 hours and 10 minutes? So yeah, long process. We get up in a few seconds to show you the full length. And yeah, dang, this video took forever, man. Alright, yeah, I guess I should get up now. Guys, that's wrapped up today's video. Today's super long video actually. So if you liked the video, please like, subscribe, comment. Please follow me on all my social medias. That is Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. All Gio Filipino hair. Also in the description below. Shout out to Shea Moisture for the JVCO collection. Also, you can get the products in Target and also CVS. So go ahead and copy some. And yeah, until next time, you know what to do. Stay wavy. Yeah, and I'll see y'all next time. Yeah. Bye. Yeah.